here's a little sneak peek of what we're making today. Hello everybody, welcome back to Flower Club, the first one of 2026. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's, Christmas period, and I hope you're excited to get back into designing some gorgeous flowers. I'm pumped. Everyone else is pumped here at Fig and Bloom. Can't wait for it. Alrighty, let's see what we have today. Summertime. We have some lovely goldenrod to full vibrant yellow. We have asters today and some pittosporum foliage. What we're going to do is start out with our prep as normal. I'm going to use, of course, my trusty wet ceramic, a little bit taller because we have quite a bit of height. So this vase is about 25 centimeters tall. If you have something similar, that would work. I'll start with, start with my goldenrod. This, same thing as I normally do, stripping off the lower leaves. I'm going to leave a few of the leaves up the top just for a little bit of extra fluff, and they look quite pretty. A really cool thing about goldenrod is that it is historically used to dye clothes. It releases a very vibrant yellow golden color. So if you want to have anything that you want to dye at home, something cotton, silk, any natural fibers, you can boil these and use it as a natural plant dye. Same thing with like indigo. These are historically kind of your natural plant dyes before synthetic dyes came in. So it's a pretty significant flower in history. And goldenrod's native to Northern American continent. Okay, now onto my aster. I'm going to prep my asters in a similar kind of way. It's just removing these leaves. And I'm separating out a few of these stems from the main stem because they can come with lots. Ooh, hello. They can come with quite a few heads on the one stem. So separating out a few. And then my pittosporum, I'm going to have a look at each stem. Find the larger ones, find the smaller ones, which one I'm going to want to use first. I'll keep the little pieces that I've trimmed off the main stem to the side. Ooh. This is a pretty good size. You can see that the stems are offshooting with their leaves kind of right where the lip of the vase meets. So cut on an angle. Measure against the vase for it to be. Some people flip it over and see if I want it to be about here. So I've got a big fluff of pittosporum and then my goldenrod throughout. I've used this really beautiful, lovely bloomed piece at the top here and then put some of the other bloomed pieces kind of throughout, the little asters. They are going to create a little pop through here and then creeping up through the middle. That's my plan. I put fluff of aster right here and then brought them up nice and tall towards this corner up here. I do have a few pieces of goldenrod that I've reserved at the bottom here just to finish off the lower part of the arrangement right near and low in amongst the aster right at the front. Alrighty, and we're all done. I hope you enjoyed this first Flower Club back. Club, welcome. It's lovely to have you. See you next time. Bye.